welcome to another tutorial by WepTech Academy. So in this tutorial we'll be looking at how to draw using the pen tool, the pencil tool and the brush tool. So we'll begin with the pen tool. The pen tool is a pretty much amazing tool, though it's a little bit difficult to use. So I will begin by drawing simple square shapes using the pen tool. So the whole shape to have something with straight edges. So I'll create a rectangle like that. So now we can create a circle using the pen tool. So pen tool has another option, which if you click here and you see, if I click here, so it gives me the opportunity or the ability to skew this edge and make it a little bit circular. So I have sorry, I'll undo that so that I can skew it out a little bit, and I have this. So the pen tool can basically do a lot. So I have these two from using the pen tool. So the next tool we'll be looking at is the pencil tool, which is found here, pencil tool. So first of all, go ahead and delete all of these which I created. Pencil tool. So with the pencil tool, it just gives you the ability to draw simple shapes or lines of this, and alright. So basically the pencil tool can do a lot more than this. So this is just an example of what you can do with the pencil tool in Adobe Illustrator. So the next tool we'll be looking at is the brush tool. From its name, it's basically a brush. So basically when you draw something, Adobe Illustrator tries to make it have some smooth edges. So you can basically use the brush tool, to create backgrounds. You can create backgrounds using the brush tool, and they will be so amazing, I tell you the truth. So thank you very much for following up in this tutorial, which we learned how to use the brush tool, the pencil tool and the pen tool. So see you guys in the next